Gabby, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I'm going to be trying out a few new Christmas gifts as well. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe so you can check out my other videos when I upload. And other than that, let's just hop right on into the video. So first I'm going to be priming with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm taking a lot and I'm going to be applying it to the eyelid like so. And then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just blend that out. Next I'm going to be taking a clean Morphe M441 brush and I'm going to be going in my NARS Wanted eyeshadow palette. This is one of the products that I got for Christmas this year. And it is so gorgeous. I love the shades in here. Once again, it's like a warm tone palette and I'm obsessed with warm tones. But we're going to be dipping into this shade right here as our transition shade. So I am going to be applying it to the crease and blending it upwards towards my eyebrow. When I applied these shades to my other eye, they were super blendable and really pigmented. I really love the formula of this palette. Then I'm going to be taking this shade right here and I'm going to be applying that to the crease. And after I finish applying it to the crease and blending it out, I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of the lid. Then I'm going to be cutting the crease, so I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again on this brush, and I'm going to cut the crease halfway. Next I'm going to be going into a Juvia's Place palette. This is the Zulu by Juvia's, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to start by applying it over the concealer, and I'm going to apply it to the center and start bringing it towards the edges. Once I have it down on the main portion of the lid, I'm just going to be dipping back into that shade with a little brush so I can go around the edges of the concealer to make sure it is a nice and clean line. Then I'm going back into the NARS palette and taking that same red shade again on my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to be blending the blue shade with the outer corner so there is a nice blend and it's not a harsh transition. Next I'm going to be applying a wing. I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner. Then I'm going to go off camera and apply Lily Lashes in Miami, and I will be back for the face. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to be trying out, I did not get for Christmas, but I got with a gift card that I got for Christmas. It is the Benefit Porefessional Pearl Primer. I love the original one, but my skin has gotten drier from Accutane, and even though I am no longer taking it, my skin isn't as oily as it used to be, so I've noticed that I don't need as mattifying products as I used to. So I'm going to be trying out this one. I went into Sephora to get this, and I was hoping to get the full size because the travel size is just like never worth your money, but this was all they had left, so I did just get this one because I do really want to try it. So I'm just going to be applying, I have to take one of these things off. Okay, I'm going to be applying it to, this one comes out as more like a pinky tone rather than like an orangey cream colored. I'm just going to apply this a dot to my forehead and then right here and a little on my chin like how I do with the other one. And I honestly think I may have grabbed too much of this. So now for foundation, I'm going to be taking my NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Siberia. And then I'm going to be applying it with a damp beauty blender. Then for concealer, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be applying it underneath my eyes. Then I'm going in with my Coty Loose Airspun powder, and I'm just going to be applying a bunch directly underneath my eyes to prevent them from creasing. So I'm just going to be baking right there because I crease really badly and I have yet to find a solution to prevent that. So I'm just going to be baking right there. And I'll also go right here because I've been creasing a lot around my smile lines recently and it's been bothering me a lot. So we're going to be doing that, and then I'm going to be taking a powder brush and setting the rest of my face with my Coty Loose Airspun powder. For bronzer, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with my Hoola bronzing brush. Now I'm just going to be baking right underneath where we bronze it up, just to clean it up a bit and give it more of like a straight line. For blush, I'm going to be trying out the new blush kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is the Radiant one. I think I'm going to, we'll try this one today. I'm just going to apply this to apples of my cheeks and blend it back towards my hairline a little bit. I'm just going to wipe away that bake right there. I actually really like that blush. It was more pigmented than I expected. And I always say that about blush because I never realize how pigmented it is until I apply it, and it's like almost too much. Now for highlight, I'm going to be going in with two highlighters. I am going to be going into my Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And I'm going to be taking the shade Summer and applying that to the usual highlight places. Then I'm going to be going in with my beloved Mary Luminizer by The Balm, and I'm going to be applying that right over the same highlighting spots, just for that extra pop, and because literally every time I apply highlighter I have to use this one. It is just my holy grail favorite highlighter. Now I'm going to be spraying MAC Fix Plus all over. Then I'm going to be spraying my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray all over the areas where I have highlight. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be dipping back into this shade right here with my Morphe M149 brush. And this one is going to go on the outer corner. Then I'm going back into the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be taking the same blue shade, and that is going to go on the rest of the lower lash line. Off camera, I'm going to be applying my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I also went back into my Sun Dipped Glow Kit and applied the shade Summer for my inner corner highlight. And I also forgot to mention at the beginning that this palette was also a Christmas present. I got so excited to use the blue shade that I forgot to mention that, but this was also a Christmas present that I tried out today. Now I'm going to be moving on to lips, where I will be taking my e.l.f. lip liner in the shade Natural, and I'm just going to be lining the outer part of my lips. And then I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick in the shade Hopeless Romantic. Okay, so I ended up changing my mind and I didn't like the lip, so I applied MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick and then I applied the Fenty Beauty gloss over the top of it. But that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye!